The hour function returns the hour for all values in a date-time column. Let's begin by creating a beast mode called hour. In this example, we will be using the clock out column as our source date-time column. Hour will return a value from 1 to 24, 1 being 1 a.m. and 24 being midnight. Let's see how this looks in our data. It is always a best practice to check your aggregation settings on any column you bring into a card. In this case, we want to make sure the hour column is not aggregated. As you can see, this function has successfully extracted the hour from the original date-time column. Thank you for watching. Follow Arigato Analytics for more tips for Domo users.